In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Solo Leveling Arise on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Solo Leveling Arise is currently available on these platforms here. So, the App Store for iOS devices, the Google Play Store for Android devices, and then PC through Steam and Epic. You can download the launcher and start playing right away. Now, you might be curious on how to play it on Xbox. Well, the version available for Xbox is Overdrive, and a month ago there was a trailer for it here, so Solo Leveling Arise Overdrive on the Xbox Games Showcase 2025. It was released in June of this year. However, if you go to the Microsoft Store or the Xbox Store, you will notice that currently it is labeled as not available separately. This usually happens when a game has a store page up available for pre-orders, but not in this case, and it isn't playable still. And even if you have it visit places like Steam, you will also notice that the game has not been released. So if you want to play right now, you have to download the Android or iOS versions. Solo Leveling Arise Overdrive, which is the game that is going to launch for PC and Xbox, is sadly not available currently. I believe that the game will be released in fall of 2025, but potentially 2026, so all that we can do now is wait. Once the game is released, you will be able to download it from either of these stores. So go to Steam if you want to play it on PC, or of course the Xbox Store or the Microsoft Store, which is the focus of this video. Sadly, the game is not currently available and we have no definitive news of when it is going to be released exactly. If you want to play right now, I highly recommend downloading the mobile version for the time being. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Solo Leveling Arise on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.